Hey guys, it's Scott here. Welcome to Daily Vlog 101. You're going to notice something a little new here in my backyard. What do you think of that? It's a gorgeous day, so, you know.
Why don't we jump in?
All right, we're going to jump in. We actually started a new daily channel, but it's not going to be what you think. It's actually a fail by a different person every day of the week, and that includes myself, Daniel, J Rice Music,
Hello Pinksta?
and Oddball Matt. So check it out. Definitely subscribe. Chip Marco!
Follow!
It's Scott Ken Martin TV.
Snap into a Slim Jim, oh yeah!